Welcome to How to Secure a Doctor Job in the UK Without Prior Experience. In this chapter, we'll explore the opportunities available for doctors without borders. The medical field is one of the most interconnected professions in the world. Doctors from various countries come together, sharing their knowledge and expertise to provide the best care possible. Did you know that a significant portion of doctors in the UK come from all corners of the globe? These professionals bring with them a wealth of experience and diverse perspectives that enrich the healthcare system. It's true, over 40% of the doctors working in the UK today receive their medical training outside of the UK. This statistic highlights the global nature of the medical profession and the importance of international collaboration. This makes the UK healthcare system a vibrant blend of expertise and cultural diversity. The fusion of different medical practices and cultural approaches leads to innovative solutions and improved patient care. This means that if you're an international medical graduate, you're not alone in dreaming of working in the UK. Many have walked this path before you, and their success stories can serve as inspiration and guidance. And the good news is it's entirely achievable. With determination, the right resources and a clear plan, you can join the ranks of these esteemed professionals. This guide will provide you with a clear roadmap to navigate the process and make your dream a reality. From understanding the necessary qualifications to preparing for interviews and securing a job, we've got you covered. Networking is a crucial part of this journey. Attending seminars, conferences, and workshops can help you build connections and learn from those who have successfully transitioned to working in the UK. Language proficiency is another key aspect. Ensuring you have a strong command of English will not only help you pass required exams, but also enable you to communicate effectively with patients and colleagues. Utilize online resources and forums where international doctors share their experiences and tips. These platforms can provide valuable insights and support throughout your journey. Proper documentation is essential. Make sure all your credentials, certifications, and paperwork are in order. This will streamline the application process and prevent any delays. Seek mentorship from experienced professionals who have already made the transition. Their guidance can be invaluable in navigating the complexities of the UK healthcare system. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and stay focused on your ultimate dream of working as a doctor in the UK. Together we can create a healthcare system that is truly global, where doctors without borders work hand in hand to provide the best care for patients everywhere. The UK calling, a haven for international medical professionals. The UK has long been a beacon for international doctors seeking new opportunities and experiences. The National Health Service, renowned for its commitment to providing quality healthcare to all, offers a structured and supportive environment for doctors to thrive. However, the journey to becoming a doctor in the UK can seem daunting, especially without prior experience within the NHS system. Don't worry! This guide will break down the process step by step, making it clear and manageable. Navigating the maze of healthcare systems can be daunting, especially when it comes to understanding the NHS and GMC requirements. Understanding the NHS and GMC requirements is essential for any medical professional looking to practice in the UK. The first step is understanding the lay of the land. The NHS, or National Health Service, is the publicly funded healthcare system in the UK, providing a wide range of services to millions of people. The NHS has specific requirements for employing doctors, which are designed to ensure that patients receive the highest quality of care. These requirements cover everything from qualifications and experience to language proficiency and professional conduct. These requirements are overseen by the General Medical Council, or GMC, which is the regulatory body for medical professionals in the UK. The GMC plays a crucial role in maintaining the standards of medical practice in the country. The GMC ensures that all doctors practicing in the UK meet the highest standards of professional conduct and clinical competence, regardless of where they obtained their medical degrees. This includes rigorous assessments and continuous professional development. Familiarizing yourself with the GMC's role and requirements is crucial. This involves understanding the registration process, which includes providing evidence of your qualifications, passing necessary exams, and demonstrating your ability to communicate effectively in English. Additionally, the GMC provides guidelines on ethical practice, patient safety, and professional behavior, which are essential for maintaining trust and delivering high-quality care. By understanding and adhering to these requirements, you can ensure a smooth transition into the UK healthcare system and contribute positively to the NHS's mission of providing excellent patient care. The GMC Gauntlet, proving your medical prowess. Before you can even think of practicing medicine in the UK, you'll need to demonstrate to the GMC that your medical qualifications are up to par. This involves a multi-step process of verifying your credentials and ensuring they meet the GMC standards. Don't let this step intimidate you. The GMC provides clear guidelines and resources to help you through the process. Be prepared to provide detailed documentation of your medical education, training, and any prior experience. The PLAB exam, your gateway to UK practice. Once the GMC has given your medical qualifications the green light, the next hurdle is the Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board, or PLAB exam. This exam is specifically designed to assess the knowledge and skills of international medical graduates. The PLAB exam consists of two parts: a written exam testing your clinical knowledge and a practical exam assessing your clinical skills. Passing the PLAB exam is a mandatory requirement for international medical graduates seeking registration with the GMC. Bridging the gap, gaining crucial UK experience. While passing the PLAB exam is a significant milestone, gaining some hands-on experience within the NHS environment is highly recommended. This experience can be invaluable in showcasing your adaptability and understanding of the UK healthcare system to potential employers. There are several avenues for obtaining UK experience, such as internships, observerships, or clinical attachments. These opportunities provide you with a first-hand look at how the NHS operates and allow you to build connections with UK medical professionals. The visa conundrum, securing your right to work. Of course, before you can start working in the UK, you'll need the appropriate visa. For doctors, the most common options are the Tier 2 General Work Visa or the Health and Care Visa. Each visa has specific eligibility criteria and requirements. It's crucial to carefully research the visa requirements and ensure you meet all the criteria before applying. The UK government website and the UK Visas and Immigration website provide comprehensive information and guidance on visa applications. The power of connections networking, your way to success. Networking plays a vital role in any job search, and the medical field is no exception. Attending medical conferences, workshops, and seminars is a great way to meet other medical professionals, including potential employers. LinkedIn is another valuable platform for connecting with doctors and recruiters in the UK. Creating a strong LinkedIn profile and actively engaging with relevant groups and discussions can significantly increase your visibility and expand your professional network. Your journey begins. A recap of essential steps. Embarking on a medical career in the UK as an international medical graduate is a significant and rewarding endeavour. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a clear understanding of the necessary steps. To summarise, securing a doctor job in the UK as an international medical graduate requires careful planning and a proactive approach. This journey is not just about meeting requirements, but also about embracing a new culture and healthcare system. Here's a quick recap of the essential steps. These steps will guide you through the process and help you stay organised and focused on your goal. 1. Verify your medical qualifications with the GMC. This is a crucial step to ensure that your credentials are recognised and accepted in the UK. Ensure your medical degree meets their standards. The General Medical Council, GMC, has specific criteria that your degree must fulfil to be considered valid. 2. Pass the PLAB exam. The Professional and Linguistic Assessments Board, PLAB test, assesses your ability to work safely as a doctor in the UK. Demonstrate your clinical knowledge and skills. This exam is divided into two parts: PLAB 1, a written multiple choice exam, and PLAB 2, a practical objective structured clinical examination, OSCE. 3. Gain UK experience. Consider internships, observerships, or clinical attachments. These opportunities will provide you with valuable hands-on experience and a better understanding of the UK healthcare system. 4. Obtain the right visa. Navigating the visa process can be complex, but it is essential to secure the appropriate visa to work legally in the UK. Apply for the Tier 2 General Work Visa or the Health and Care Visa. These visas are specifically designed for healthcare professionals and will allow you to work in the UK. 5. Network actively, attend conferences, join online platforms, and connect with other medical professionals. Building a strong professional network can open doors to job opportunities and provide support throughout your career. Networking is not just about finding job opportunities, it's also about learning from others, sharing experiences, and staying updated with the latest developments in the medical field. By following these steps and staying committed to your goal, you can successfully transition into a fulfilling medical career in the UK. Remember, each step is a milestone towards achieving your dream. Embrace the journey, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your dedication and hard work will pay off as you make a positive impact on patients' lives in the UK. Stay informed, stay inspired. Your path to a UK medical career. Remember, the journey may have its challenges, but with determination and the right information, achieving your goal of working as a doctor in the UK is well within your reach. Stay informed about the latest developments in GMC requirements, visa regulations, and job opportunities. For more in-depth guidance and practical tips on navigating the process, be sure to subscribe to our blog and follow us on social media. We're here to support you every step of the way.